The world is changing, and it's happening now. The AI revolution you thought peaked with hyperscaler data centers and monstrous chip runs, well, that was only the beginning. Today, a new phase ignites. More explosive, more lucrative, more unexpected than anything Wall Street, Silicon Valley, or Main Street has seen. The market is roaring, inflation is sticky, rates are high. But three companies stand ready to transform chaos into fortune. If you missed the AI infrastructure surge, brace yourself. Phase 2 is here, and it's rewriting everything. What does it take to catch lightning after it's already struck? What if the real opportunity wasn't in the steel and silicon of data centers, but in the code, the living, breathing intelligent software that runs your world? Today, we go deep. The battle-tested secrets behind the dramatic architecture of viral content, the investment script that commands your attention. This isn't just financial analysis, it's a psychological thriller, and you're in it. Imagine AI as an epic saga in phases. First, the foundation infrastructure kings and chipmakers unleashed raw computing power. $2.5 trillion flooded into hyperscalers, semiconductors, power utilities. The backbone of progress was constructed, a technological infrastructure that could bend economies. But the money is shifting. This new era, the gold rush, is about translating that power into usable intelligence. Data that moves at the speed of decision. Software that lets businesses not just survive, but thrive. Goldman Sachs' David Sen breaks it down. Phase 1, the chip and server boom, is history. Now it's software's turn to light the fuse. The right moves could define generational wealth, but how do you see opportunity before it's obvious? Every dramatic script opens tension, questions unresolved, loops unclosed. In investing, this is the compulsion, the urge to act before resolution, the ache in your gut whispering, don't miss out. Today's open loop. Who will lead the new AI? Which stocks will deliver actual earnings, not just hyperbolic headlines? Let's find out. Watch closely. In this video, every moment delivers the psychological tension loop. Unresolved stakes, rising risks, shifting perspectives. Because if you leave before the end, you could leave your fortune on the table. We're speaking present tense, active voice, immediate action. This isn't a lecture, it's go time. First up, Salesforce Inc. Salesforce, once the king of customer relationship management, is entering its most dramatic chapter yet. For years, Salesforce built the roads, CRM infrastructure that connected businesses to their customers. But now with Agentforce, they're building cars that drive themselves and drive revenue. So, Agentforce is no mere feature. It's actually a deeply integrated AI platform joined at the hip with Salesforce's data cloud, automating workflows across sales, service, and marketing. And get this, in just 2 quarters, Agentforce powered over 4,000 paid deals and $100 million in recurring revenue. That's concrete, immediate, game-changing. The latest, Agentforce 3, rolls out a new command center and machine-powered intelligence that make AI smarter, safer, and, more accountable. They even launched Flex credits. That's a consumption-based pricing model. So enterprises can now scale their AI usage dynamically, supercharging adoption right as inflation and tariffs squeeze margins. Salesforce's pending $8 billion acquisition of Informatica? Well, it's not just M&A. It's a flywheel, turning best-in-class data infrastructure into, honestly, enterprise AI gold. Despite a sharp 30% valuation compression this year, Salesforce is still beating earnings estimates. If semiconductors built the highways, Salesforce programs the self-driving fleet, and they're only starting to accelerate. Notice the emotional journey. We began with infrastructure, dramatic change, and now, immediate, concrete transformation AI driving real business results. Every killer script moves from problem to solution, tension to release, climax to aftermath. You feel the stakes rising now, don't you? Salesforce isn't alone. The AI gold rush is producing new legends. Let's open another loop. Enter ServiceNow Inc. ServiceNow isn't just adapting, it's shaping the future. Their Pro plus Now Assist platform is gaining legendary traction. Last quarter, nearly 30% growth in $20 million plus contract customers. The key here is that Now Assist AI isn't siloed. It's embedded everywhere: IT, HR, customer service, and vertical workflows. Complex processes are automated, productivity soars. The headlines shout, included in 18 of the top 20 enterprise deals last quarter. That's not marketing fluff. That's money in bank accounts across the Fortune 500. Were you worried about the margin compression and sequential slowdown? Don't be. These are the growing pains, not the fatal flaws. ServiceNow is investing hard, hiring top AI talent, expanding the team, meeting surging demand. Monetization is really accelerating. Revenue growth is expected in the high teens, and margin expansion is right there on the horizon. Their orchestration of AI agents, workflows, and architecture isn't just a feature. It's a platform. It's, well, foundational. The recent pullback in stock is not a warning sign. It's the second chance moment, classic to every great dramatic story. The hero falters for just an instant, so you can join for the next ascent. Imagine just for a moment a CEO staring at a dashboard with 800 workflows humming along, millions saved, and customers absolutely delighted. That's the reality ServiceNow delivers. A scene every investor should see as more than just a pitch. It's present tense, it's happening right now, and the market is definitely watching. Our final spotlight is on MongoDB Incorporated, or MDB. Picture the engine inside every AI app, the database. MongoDB's meteoric rise is, well, just incredible. $100 million in 2017, and get this, over $2 billion in 2025. But now generative AI isn't just enhancing their software, it's actually threatening to disrupt it. MongoDB's challenge is clear. AI models need more than just storage. They need context, orchestration, and, vector awareness. That's why MongoDB acquired Voyage AI, a clever startup maximizing data precision and minimizing hallucinations. The goal? Safe deployment of enterprise AI, especially in healthcare and finance. MongoDB's first quarter. Revenues soared 22% to $549 million. Almost 60,000 customers, with cash reserves just swelling. Operating losses slashed almost by half. Investors are skeptical, but the fundamentals are stabilizing. The AI strategy evolving. MongoDB is fighting to be an AI Phase 2 winner, and if their execution lands, the next viral run could be theirs. We are living in the greatest AI transition of our time. The chip kings, well, they finished their marathon. Now the next gold rush isn't beneath the servers, it's in software. Salesforce builds the driving force, ServiceNow orchestrates the business world, and MongoDB powers the brains of intelligent applications. Earnings power and margin resilience are, commanding respect even as inflation bites and tariffs squeeze. So what happens next? Will you watch as the second wave of the AI revolution lifts others again? Or will you seize the moment, ride the gold rush, and become an architect of this new era? Be bold. Be present. The journey isn't over. It's just getting thrilling. Smash that subscribe button, leave a comment, and stay tuned. The future belongs to those who grasp its story before the closing credits roll. The market is moving. Will you?